How to add multiple photos in your Instagram. How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more than 2 photos in your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let us get started. Open up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Now to add multiple stories, tap on your story on your top left. As you do so, it will open up your gallery section. Tap on camera and take any picture that you would like. Now to add multiple photos, tap on this sticker icon. Here you will see photo option, tap onto it. Select a photo. You can also change the shape of this photo by tapping onto it. Now let's go ahead and repeat the process. Tap onto the sticker icon, tap on photo. It will open up your gallery section. From there, tap on any photo that you would like to add. Tap to change the shape. And once you have done that, simply tap on your story on your bottom left. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.